Hello everyone, I am Meera and I am from Hazardbag, Jharkhand. So guys, I usually tell you that how can you improve your English and how can you improve your vocabulary. But today I will tell you something new that will be so easy to improve your vocabulary. So if you want this change and if you want change in your life, then please continue this video and watch the video till end. So guys, if you want to improve your vocabulary, then you just try this method I will tell you in this video. So if you have anything, then you just try to relate the words, relate the sentences, how I relate it. This is a demo and you can use this thing in every words, in every things. So first thing I will show you, just watch this. This is the tree of guava. You can just see, this is the tree of guava. From this tree I can find many words and I can make many sentences from this plant. So you can just see, first thing, this is the plant of guava. So first word what comes? Tree. And second word comes guava. Tree means peड़ and guava means fruit. That is amrud. This is a fruit. Okay. And first sentence is, this is a guava tree. Okay. And second thing, you can just see there is a small guavas. See this. There are many small guavas here. Just see. So second word is guava. Okay. Third thing you will learn from this tree is leaves. This is leaves. So leaves. So if this word is leaf, okay, leaf means patta. But if you have word leaf, then you can just make a sentence that this is a guava tree's leaf. Or you can just say this is a leaf. And if you want to make a long sentence, then you can just say this is a leaf of guava tree. Okay. Fourth word is a stem. Just see, this part of the plant, this part of the tree is called a stem. Tana. The main part, a stem. This is a stem. So now you have a new word that is called a stem. This is the stem. Now you can make a sentence that this is a stem of guava plant. This is a stem of guava plant. So now you can relate this type of words and you can make new words, new sentences from a small words. Okay. So one more thing I will tell you. You can just see this. The whole thing you are watching, this is called branch. A small stems. These are called branch. Okay. And you can just say these are branches of guava plant. Okay. You can tell the sentences from a small words. So you can just try to relate the words and try to relate the sentences from where you are. So just you will find a change in your life. And you are watching that again and again. I am watching in behind or in the downside, because if I will show you the right now condition of my place, then you will say how are you standing there. So just see, everywhere only grass is available, only grass is present. I am here to make the video because in my home I can't make the video and there is no peace because there are many kids, they are making noise a lot. That's why I came to my field, and usually I come to my field to make video because here I find the peace. This is the main key. And today I think you learned many things from this plant. So I want to say something to this guava plant, that this is a small thing. thanks to the guava plant, because this plant supported me to learn something, and this plant supported me to tell the words, to tell the sentences to my audience. So I think this plant deserves a thanks. So thanks to the guava plant again. So I think this video is so helpful for you. If you want any another video like this, then please comment in the comment box, that I will tell you from any special topic also. So if you learned something new from this video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel English with Meera, and please share the video with your friends and who want to learn English. And one more thing, please comment in the comment box that from where you are watching my video. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you.